True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, in our community where I born and grow, them call it Savanna in a St.Elizabeth. Somebody have one primary school. Them school here I used to run up and down. Here so I get my local education here so. And you know, school about to open in a September, early September. Yeah, and after Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica, you know, St. Elizabeth was one of the areas get badly damaged, and you know, so the kids are getting ready to go back to school, and this is what it looked like at the moment at the Savanna Primary School. And I don't know what's going on, and just want to send a message over in a positive way. You know, nobody look upon it and say, boy, I may show up a thing and this and that, but the kids them need to go back to school, and them need a proper facility for learning so they can turn our lawyer, doctor, firefighter, soldier. So we want them to come to school in our good environment. So stick and stay, me show you what I want. Never lie, you know. Never lie first, me show you what I want. Sign I can't lie. You see the sign? Savanna Primary School. So I'll show you now. Take on and show you what I want the same way. See a lot of damage. The Hurricane Melissa due to the school. Stop is still off. See this area, same way. And today is in August, the 26th of August. Yeah man, see it? No rooftop and no school are opening in early September. And this is what it look like at the moment. Yeah man, so please my people, leave in the comment section. Leave in the comment section what go on, you know? Leave in the comment section. So when I take a walk around, I'll show you the rest of the building where being affected, you know? Yes, bossy. So this are the principal office, administrative block, as you can see. So say top come off and thing, you know, say being and put top all in it and things same way. As we some people, leave in the comment section what can be done. I know some more other video go viral same way. Yeah man, all of the school top gone. Well, you can see you still have the raft for them up and things same way. So maybe they just need back some zinc and stuff, because like the zinc them that wasn't strong enough. So I want the higher authorities to take a look into that situation. Eh? So big up all the teachers them, the past students from Savanna Primary School. Just reach out if you don't see the video. Want the community to build back for your students who is coming to this school. So yes, some people, remember to like, share and subscribe to this video. Just a show what going around Savanna Primary School, and I said, just look at this video as a positive video. We want our student them to get some better. Just forget about the classroom them back together, so when school open, them have an environment where they can learn, where them can retain something. Because if you're not in a learning environment, you're not gonna remember everything. So stick and stay. So I still go down on the block same way. So you know, so that's one section. Still have a rafter same way and everything. So back them area, you know, say the pipe side. Also you have the bathroom. So this is the boys' bathroom. So then put on top on and it's. So you see a lot of work needs to be done before. And September is right around the corner. This is the girls' bathroom. Emergency exit. As I say, emergency exit, I don't really know around that side. So at a later date, safety, I come check that emergency exit here and see if it's a safe route for emergency for our kids. So I'm still going down the block same way, giving an out view same way. Yeah, zinc is still on the dirt. So them do some cleaning up and thing. Yeah man, so all the people them in a Savanna, same way. You know, so when the school have a painter who can give a helping hand, never can tell. Maybe work soon start, so let's see what's going on for this in Savanna. As we can tell you, say, a whole heap of doctors, lawyers, firefighter, soldier, police come out of school here. And we need to see that school are up and running again for our kids, so they will have a better learning environment. Yeah man, see it. As you can see, the roof is still off, and you can see the type of roof. So it's a lot of work to be done. A lot of work. And this cannot be finished for September, to my knowledge. You can see the scope of work. See there? All of them rooftop they come off. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Call it say 95% of the school still damaged. So it's gonna need a lot of work, extra hours, same way. Yeah man, see it. Welcome to reading land. Yeah man, that them school I used to attend, I say education is key. So maybe we couldn't read it up on the wall then if we never come out of school or so. Big up all of the teachers them, who the past teachers them from this institution. We have Mr. Walker, Miss Jones, Miss Winton, Miss Blackwood. A few more teachers, and big up on yourself and the brains of the teacher them. So stick and stay and just see if we can reach out to anybody and see if we can look into the situation of the Burn Savanna Primary School. So yes my people, and have a wonderful evening. Just giving an update from Burn Savanna Primary School. So as soon as possible, if any work take place, I'll give an update of the school, and hopefully them start work on it as soon as possible. Yeah man, we know as we students and I know 10th when things could be better.